Secret ways Americans build wealth. Americans have 11 secret ways to build and protect their money. First, diversify by investing in gold with trusted companies like Goldco. Save money on car insurance by using Provide Insurance, an online marketplace comparing quotes from over 175 carriers. Invest in real estate with just $10 through Fundrise. Protect your home from unexpected repairs with Select Home Warranty. National Debt Relief provides free debt coaching to help create affordable plans for becoming debt-free. Avoid expensive car repairs with Endurance, offering coverage for vehicles up to 20 years old. Plan for medical costs not covered by Medicare with Golden Care's long-term care insurance. Access AARP discounts for various services and save money. Borrow against your home using services like Rocket Mortgage to avoid high credit card interest rates. Earn money by trying new apps and products with KashKick. Lastly, ensure your family's financial security with affordable life insurance from platforms like Bestow, offering quick, personalized quotes. Exploring these opportunities can help Americans wisely manage and grow their wealth. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.